Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening, Eklavya. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so how is going your study?
My studies are going fine.
Okay, so Eklavya, today we are going to start energy topic.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the energy?
Ma'am, see, life is impossible without energy, as we all know. Energy has a huge demand in life. And where do our energy, where do our most energy sources derive from? What is the greatest source of energy? Well, the sun is the greatest source of energy for us. Most of our energy sources derive from the sun. Other energy sources includes the interior of the earth and tides. Let's. Can you think of any more energy sources? Let me know in the comments. So after that, you can say energy has many definitions in day-to-day life, but in science you give it a definite and precise definition. Let us consider an example. Let's consider an example. Whenever you lift something up in the air, it has a capacity to do work. For example, when a hammer is put down on a nail from a height, the nail gets pushed down into the wood. Or we have also observed like with children winding up toys like a toy car, and then it moves, and then when it's put on the ground, it starts moving. If you press a balloon, we notice a change in the shape. And if we remove and if we remove our finger, then the balloon will go back to its original shape. But if you apply too much pressure, the balloon may explode, causing an explosion like popping sound. All these examples, work was done by one force or another, on another object. The capacity to do work is called energy stands the object doing the work loses energy, and the object the work is being done upon gains energy.
Life is impossible without energy. The demand for energy is ever increasing. Where do we get energy from?
We Most of our energy sources are from the sun, as I already mentioned.
The sun is the biggest natural sources of energy to us.
Yes, ma'am. The sun is our biggest natural source of energy to us. Most of our energy sources derive from the sun. Other energy sources include tidal waves and tides.
Okay. Do you know that what is the forms of energy?
There are many forms of energy. There are like kinetic energy. Energy comes in different forms and types. Like if you got elastic energy, kinetic energy, heat energy. There are many forms of energy.
Okay, we will be discuss about this form about the form of energy in the next topic.
Yes, sir.
Next